Let's start the oral test. Roll number 1. Vikrant.
My name is Vikrant Verma. My father's name is Mr. Aditya Verma, and my mother's name is Mrs. Reena Verma. I am 12 years old. I study in class 6 at St. John School. I have one younger sister who studies in the second standard in the same school. I live in a joint family with my grandparents, parents, and sister. I love my family very much and enjoy spending time with them.
Okay.
I have many friends, but Mohan is my best friend. My hobbies are reading, drawing, and playing football.
Okay. Good.
Thank you, madam.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found a good channel for study.
Great, like the video, share it to your school friends, subscribe to it, but what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.